How come I can't get it?
You can't get the Running Man?
I am doing the Running Man.
No, you're not.
Love is rough.
Hey y'all, it's Lay the Rogue back again with another install maintenance video kind of thing. We're gonna start off with an oil change for the bike, and let's get into it. So I am switching out the old oil that's in the bike right now. It is just regular plain oil that it came with. We fleshed it out and put in new regular oil from what the previous owner had just to test out the engine. And then I continue to ride with it, so don't be like me. What we have is the oil pan. I'm just gonna pop that under there. She's gonna collect all the oil. Got my essential tools already attached, what I'm gonna use to take off that bad boy right there. I'm using a 17. Then we've got our friend here, the filter, or sorry, the, what do you call it? The funnel. Got my funnel, and I've got my new oil filter. I'm using the K&N one. So I just flushed out the old nasty oil, and now I am doing another flush. This is just the leftover Motul that Freddie had left over from his last oil change. So I'm just flushing it through to get all that nastiness out. I had old regular oil, and now I'm adding synthetic. So I'm flushing the synthetic through until I see it coming out a pretty similar color. So this one's pretty red, as you can see, or kind of pink. So I can tell the difference as it's flushing through. So that's what I'm doing right now. So we're using synthetic because it supposedly is supposed to be better for performance. You can do your own research. We've been using Motul for a couple of years now, I think like the past 2 years, and I like it. This is the first time I had regular oil in my bike, so now we're going to synthetic.
Making things difficult, that's what I love to do. Boop. Taking that thing off. Oh my god. Alright, anyways, what I am gonna do is prime this bad boy. Boop-a-doop, boop, 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 bop, 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 bop.
Okay, that's it. I made a big mess and I changed my oil. And now we're gonna move on to the next thing, which is gonna be my